Don't tell me your secrets. Might as well put them on the newspaper show.
That's right, brother.
You can't trust a man who likes to drink more than 3 drinks in the evening. He sits with his friends. Humphrey Bogart said, never trust a man who doesn't drink. Never trust a man who doesn't drink with his secrets. I know you're not a bad man.
I know that.
I know what you are. And I'll tell you now what you are, man.
Yeah.
You're just an angel falling down.
Here we are, Lord.
It's an angel falling down.
I feel it.
It's an angel falling down.
Save him, brother.
Can't help you up, friend.
Give
You
me up,
gotta
man.
help up yourself.
I can't help you.
Don't tell me your problem.
No. Don't spread it round.
I've got enough of my own.
Don't carry the heavy load, man.
Don't tell me your secrets over the telephone.
No, don't tell me. I got no time.
'Cause I'm not the guy who keeps a secret. I have to tell everything. This is like a form of lying to me. I know you're not a bad guy. I know what you are. Just an angel that's fallen
Here we are, brother.
from heaven. And the problems are gonna follow you
Ain't no running
all
away.
around. You're sowing bad seeds, man,
No
in fertile ground. And watch out, fella, I'll catch up with you and trip you up.
That's right.
'Cause you just an angel fall from heaven.
Ain't we all, brother?
Yeah, just an angel fall from heaven. You can laugh if you want to, these words, but I don't give a toss, you know? I'm saying, just a song about nothing, really. Just a song of keeping yourself happy.
Electronic noise.
Yeah,
Electronic
I need it.
noise.
I need that.
Electronic noise.
This is the future all came true.
This is the
Just compute. Walk down the street, freaking out.
This is the future.
Hitching a ride on the cocktail bar.
This is the future.
No one said you've got to.
This is the future.
Spend our time in cyberspace.
This is the future.
Have no time for outside space.
This is the future.
It's the future now.
This is the future.
Hard man from the TV show.
This is the future.
Download the from 6
This is the future.
It's all stains, pain and stinks. This is the future. I'm here now. This is the future.
When you were a little girl, living in your village, run away to make all your dreams come true. Now you're in the big world, got everything you need. The dreams became reality, it all came to you, but you're still running away. Bottle of red wine every night. When you were a little girl, living in your own world, dreams in your eyes, red, yellow, and blue. Had to run away to make all your dreams come true. When you were a little girl, everything was so good. When you were a little girl, did everything you could. Never had to run away. Your dreams were there today. Now you're living for your evening bottle of wine. When you were a girl in your little world, happy with your dreams, everything you need. You never ran away, 'cause you had everything that you needed for your day.
Un dernier blues avant demain, avant que la mort me donne la main, avant que l'automne ait mis aux arbres des cheveux rouges. Un dernier blues avant minuit, avant que l'amour fait travesti, avant que les hommes aient mis mon cœur pour un igloo. Un dernier blues en catastrophe, avant qu'une étoile m'apostrophe, avant que mon nom ait écrit sur les néants de l'infini. Un dernier blues en majuscule plein de suspense, suspension et virgule. Un dernier blues, un jour de pluie en mi mineur pour une amie. Un dernier blues avant demain, avant que la mort me donne la main, avant que l'automne ait mis aux arbres des cheveux rouges. C'est dur de chanter le blues en français, mais ça m'est bien égal tant que tu joues avec moi. On va l'essayer encore une fois. Un dernier blues en catastrophe avant qu'une étoile m'apostrophe, avant que mon nom est écrit sur le néant de l'infini. Un dernier blues en majuscule, plein de suspension virgule. Un jour de pluie pour une amie. Un dernier blues avant demain, avant que la mort me donne la main, avant que l'automne ait mis aux arbres des cheveux rouges.